Hi beautiful people, welcome to another video. So you can see here my hair was already pre-parted and I'm going to link a video on how I did that. This is the hair I'll be using for today's video. It's the Springy Afro twist and I got it in the 24-inch and color 1B. It comes in 3 bundles and each bundle has 7 pieces per bundle. So I went ahead to divide one piece into 2 and I'll be separating each piece of what I divided, so altogether you should have 4 pieces, if that makes sense. I also applied my leave-in conditioner to the braiding hair, just to kind of loosen the curls a little bit and before braiding my hair with it. And yeah, I'm just separating like I said, and I'm going to be using the crochet method. So I'm going to be crocheting the braiding hair into my hair before twisting. Alright, we're just going to put the crochet pin through our hair first and add the braiding hair to the crochet pin, and make sure you close the loop once you add the braiding hair before pulling the hair. You're going to see what I mean here. Now that we've successfully pulled the braiding hair through the hair, now you're just going to pull out one part of the braiding hair, not the both of them, one part of it, and separate your natural hair into 2 equal parts before you start twisting. Okay, you guys, we're just repeating the same process now, pulling the braiding hair through with the crochet pin. And remember, make sure to close the loop before pulling. Close the loop before pulling, you guys. Close the loop before pulling, okay? Do not forget that. And you're just going to keep twisting till you get to the very end, and you just cut a little bit, at the tip, and repeat the same process. And like I said earlier, I pre-parted my hair, so my hair was ready for me, and it was so easy. It was really easy, honestly. You guys should watch the video on how you can part your hair yourself before watching this video, okay? Alright, I'm just going to let you guys watch and enjoy the video.